Hi everyone, so welcome to today's tutorial. So I've already done the base as usual. I'm making use of V pleats this time around. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure out what we have left for the frame. Okay, this is what we call loom ashoke. This type of ashoke is called loom ashoke. So it has been weaved together like that. Okay, so in case you are using your normal ashoke, so you should know what to cut and number of times to cut. So I'm just taking the length of the ashoke for you to see what we have there. So we have 50, sorry about that, we have 46 there. Initially I cut 47, so it has reduced to 46. So if you are working with the normal ashoke that comes in pieces, the length you are going to cut is 47. The number of times you are going to cut now is the width here that we have here. So the width here now is 28. Okay, so 28 inches. That means you cut like 4 times. If you are working with normal ashoke, 4 times. Okay, so 47 into 4 places, then you now join it together. I hope you understand. All right guys, so that is what I'm going to be using. So if you notice, I stitch one side, I didn't stitch the other side. Okay, so we are going to start with that side that we did stitch. You leave about 5 inches outside, then you start to pin it down with the base. So I'm going to take it all the way like that to the middle and to the other side, because we want the pleats to stop at the other side. Okay, so you're going to use your pin to hold it all the way down to the other side, like the other side of the eye. Okay, let me just put it that way, the other side of the eye, like that. I'm going to stop there. Can you see? Stop here. So I just try to adjust my cameras for you to have a better view. Okay, so all the way to that place, use your pin to hold it down. And as you can see, I didn't tag, so I'm just going to go ahead and pleat everything. So I just want to show you the pleating. So I'm just going to go ahead and pleat everything like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pleat everything like that. So if you are new to my channel, I will advise you check the previous video on how to make a normal round plait orthogele for you to know how to pleat, how to make a perfect plait. Okay, so I'm done pleating. See what we have here. And if you look at the other side, it's like the other side is a little bit tiny. I still have ashoke, some ashoke left there. That's because you are going to be adjusting the other side, making it look as if you want to form ace there. Okay, so that's what's going to push the pleats up. As you can see, we have space at the middle there, so I make sure that after pleating the other side, I tend to like reduce it, so that it will look as if I'm forming an ace there. So that's why I still have some excess there, and by doing that, it's going to push your pleats up. You have this space that I'm having here, it's going to push it up a bit. If not, it's going to be very small. And sorry, I forgot to show us the measurement of this. It's just a tiny piece, just to form like a belt, like this. So you can just cut like 6 to 7 inches, fold it, join it together. Then I'm just going to use it to wrap that plate there. But first, I use a pin to hold it down. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to start tacking from the other side. Okay, so before I do that, let me wrap this one together. Let me wrap it together, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. So use your pin to hold it down very well, because this ashoke is very thick. Okay, so you need a lot of pins. So I just use that one there. Can you see? I fold the edge inside because I didn't stitch the head, so I fold it inside, wrap it around it, and use my pin, my needle rather, to hold it down. Okay, because my pin wasn't strong enough. All right, so before I start tacking, I decided to pleat the other side too. So you just take like the first pleat down, use your pin to hold it till you get to the edge there. Okay, can you see? That's the first pleat there. Use your pin to hold it down exactly the way you want it to be. Can you see what I have? So now I'm going to arrange it. I'm going to arrange the pleats, but this time around, not all the pleats is going down. Okay, not all of it, just like 2 or 3 more, just lay 2 or 3 more down. Can you see what I have? I've picked like 2 or 3 more down, use my clip to hold it. Then the remaining one, you're going to scatter it like this. Then at the edge there, I'm going to be forming a pleat at the edge there. Can you see what I have? I'm just going to be forming a pleat there at the edge, and that is the essence of cutting a um um long ashoke. Okay, so I think I have another style. I've uploaded that one after doing this step. You just tend to fold it to the back. That one we didn't cut, our measurement wasn't as long as this, but because we want to form a pleat here, that's why we have that long measurement of 47 inches. I hope you understand. So you form the pleat, try to arrange it. You see, that's what I'm trying to do here. Just trying to arrange the pleats, arrange it exactly the way you want it to be, arrange it very well. And inside there, I'm going to use my pin to hold it, because of course we are going to tack it. Okay, so I just need to hold it first. So that is where I'm going to be tacking that plate. Okay, inside the previous plate. Okay, so that it won't be that obvious that I tagged something there. Okay, so I'm just going to arrange the one at the other side here, arrange it very well. Can you see? I was trying to push it up so it won't just look flat, so that it will look, at least to match the other side too. Not match like that, but at least you have something looking nice. Okay, so I'm just trying to arrange this one, arrange the pleat very well like that, arrange it like that. Okay, so just arrange it. Just this one is just normal way you arrange your round plate orthogele. Arrange it very well. Then once you are satisfied with what you have, you use your clip to hold it. All right, guys, so now start tacking. So I'm starting my tacking from the back, because I don't want the knot there to show. So take it inside the pleat, the second pleat. You can use the first pleat also. Then from there, I'm going back inside. If you've been following my channel, you will know this is how I tack, and there is no particular way. Okay, just tack in a neat way. Make sure your threads are not all over the place. Okay, like that. So I'll just take it, move my hand and take it to the next plate. Okay, so just follow the way I'm tacking, and it's going to be very easy for you to tack. And please don't forget to remove your pins while tacking. Okay, don't forget to remove your pin while tacking. Okay, so I'm going to go up a bit here. Okay, so as I'm tacking, I'm removing the pin. Okay, as I'm tacking, I'm removing the pin. Please don't forget to remove your pin. Okay, so here I want to tack the plate, the whole of the plate, because if you don't hold it down at this point, you know, the shape that you've created there would not stay in one place. Okay, and just make sure that you didn't pull it too tight. Okay, don't pull it too tight, because you don't want it to be that obvious that you tack at that point. So you just want to pull a bit and release. Okay, pull a bit and release. And the reason why we are doing this is just to hold the shape of the place that we've created in place. Okay, you don't want that ace like something that you've created to now go down to the other side. Okay, I'm just going to continue my tacking till I get to that place. Okay, I'm going to tack everything like that. All right, guys, so I've gotten to this point. I just want to show us how I tack the belt there, how I tack it together. So I know my gurus, the house already know how to do this. Okay, I just want to show us with the newbies that are still new to orthogele. Okay, you just want to tack, take it up like that. Make sure your needle and thread holds everything together. Okay, make sure it holds everything together. And if you notice the way I'm tacking, I'm not inserting my needle um from the front to the back, rather it's going up and down. The reason is I don't want my thread to be all over the style I've created. Okay, you don't want to use your thread to deface the style. Okay, just make sure you hide the thread as much as you can. So I'm just trying to, you know, knit the back here. Just tack, just tack, just tack. That's what I'm doing here. You can see look at the belt, the thread is not coming out from the front, okay, rather it's coming out from up and down, so that you can tack everything together to the base. So just follow what I'm doing. I'm sure you are going to get it. Okay, so if you just happen to stumble on this video, I welcome you to my channel. Here we learn how to make different types of otogele, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with someone that you know might be interested, okay? And once you subscribe, click on the notification bell button so as to be notified each time I drop a new video. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate the like, the comments and everything. So I'm just going to continue tacking, just the normal wood tack. Now fix the handle. Okay, I'll come back to show you the next thing to do. Alright guys, again my mind is just okay, let me just show some people how to do this, okay? I know majority of us already know how to tag the handle, do the finishing and all that, so I just feel like okay, let me just show us a bit, okay? This is how you tag the handle. Just tack it together, cut it off and fix the handle like that. Alright, so I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the other side, but before I do that, I'm going to arrange the plates, okay? Arrange it exactly the way you want it to be, okay? So I'm just going to arrange like that. Okay, so what I'm doing, so I'm arranging as if I'm doing a normal round plate otogele, okay? So you just arrange like that, arrange to give it that round shape, okay? Once you do that, go in, take your needle, tack it together, cut off the excess and also fix the handle. All right guys, so I fixed the handle for both. So what is left now is just to tack the pleats at the upper part, okay? You just want to tack it together like that and make sure everything is well secured, okay? So tack it to this. So I'm just going to go in like that just to hide the knot of the thread. Then go in. This time around, it's going to be coming out from the middle of the pleats so that your pleats will not scatter. Hey, don't say ah, shebi class touch just insert from front to back. You now go and scatter your pleats. Me, I'm not there. So just tack. Make sure that your pleat and your needle is coming out from the middle of the pleat, so it won't be that obvious that okay, you tack something there. And make sure your thread are very close to each other when you are tacking, so it won't be that obvious, okay? We all know you use needle and thread to tack, but we don't want it all over the style, okay? So just go in like that. Can you see? Just go in like that. So just trying to tack everything together. Make sure everything is in place. Make sure everything is in place, okay? So just going in, tacking everything like so. And this is to inform us that we are going to be having our training very soon. I'm just cooking up some styles, okay? You know we don't do the ordinary, so I have to give you the best and nothing but the best. But I'm still working on the styles. You know, the styles have to be the trending one, the latest one, so I'm working on it. Very soon I'm going to announce the dates. So once you are okay with the tacking, just complete everything like that. I'm going to take it to my sewing machine, knit the handle, and I'll come back to show you the finish look, guys. Okay, alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.